What's up, guys? Back again with another opening of Champions Path. I know you've probably heard me say a couple times I'm done with it. It's not a lie. This was some stuff that was sitting in my closet that I just keep looking at. We haven't finished the hunt for Charizard. Gonna send some cards off to get graded, and I'm hoping that I can add that to the list of things that I'm sending. So we're gonna get into these ETBs, and hopefully we have a lot better luck than we've had. Let's get into it. He's in there somewhere. Both of them, if not one of them. I would prefer the shiny, but we'll take what we can get with Champions Path. So let's get into it. I could have done had this. Oh, man. Oh, dude. Dude, why'd I have this sitting in there for so long? And the centering is like so good on this. Oh yeah, dude. So happy. I'm so happy. I told you that I was gonna get one today. And we could get the other one. Maybe. Another one? Great. Oh man. That baby. That's a pretty ass card. While I catch my breath. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see if the luck continues. Dude, I had those sitting in the closet for like the last few weeks, just chilling, not touching them. Some other happy soul was gonna get it if I got rid of it. Man. I'm glad I'm that happy soul. What's in this porch? Last pack. Is Charizard Shiny V in here? We already got VMAX, Rainbow Rare. I need the other one. It's probably killing me too. What's up, guys? Have to admit, I was not sure we were gonna do it, but we did it. We got one of the two we've been looking for. Out of two ETBs that were sitting in my closet that I was gonna let collect dust for a little while, which I'm glad that I didn't. Because now I got this bad boy we're gonna send off to get graded. Hopefully, Jim and Tim. That'd be nice. So, you guys make sure you like and subscribe. Next time I find some goodies to open, we'll make another video. See you next time.